In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams password. Whether you're doing this as part of a regular security routine or just want something a little more memorable, I've got you covered. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First things first, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. You can do this by navigating to the Teams website or simply using the desktop app. Once you're in, look for your profile picture or your initials, which is typically situated in the top right corner of the application. Give that a click. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options for managing your account. Next, from this menu, you should see an option labeled My Microsoft Account. Go ahead and click on this link, which will prompt the opening of a new browser tab or window. It's important to ensure that your connection is secure by double-checking the URL, ensuring you're indeed on the legitimate Microsoft account page. Once you're on the Microsoft account page, look for where it says Change Password. Now keep in mind that before you make any changes, it's a good idea to ensure you remember your current password since you'll need it to proceed. Click Change Password, and this will lead you to the screen where you can update your password details. Here's where the magic happens. You'll be asked to enter your new password. When choosing a new password, remember to make it strong by using a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Try not to use easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. After you've typed in your new password, you'll need to re-enter it in the next field for confirmation. This step is crucial as it verifies that you haven't made a typographical error and that you're setting the password exactly as intended. A strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access, so take your time to ensure it's both secure and memorable. Once you've inputted your new password twice, it's time to finish up by clicking Save. This action will confirm your new settings. With that, you've successfully changed your Teams password. Remember to store your password securely, whether through a password manager or a secure document. Should you encounter any issues, Microsoft offers support options, so don't hesitate to reach out to them. Congratulations on taking the step to enhance your security. Regularly updating your passwords is a key aspect of maintaining secure accounts online. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tech tips and tricks. Have a great day.